Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Steering Wheel Radio Control Switch Kit. This steering wheel radio control switch kit is for various GM trucks from 2002 to 2009. Some common trucks this kit works on include the Cadillac Escalade ESV, Chevy Silverado, and GMC Yukon XL. But please review the full list below or reach out to us to confirm fitment. What these switches do is it allows the driver of a vehicle to operate key functions on your truck without removing your hands from the steering wheel. And while the larger buttons are for the audio system, the smaller ones help control other crucial information such as fuel and trip data. Over time, these GM buttons not only do the connectors on the back of them that connect inside the steering wheel wear off, the buttons themselves are known to stick. The labeling can also fade, rendering you almost unknown as to what happens with that actual button. And while there are kits out there that can replace the actual covers, doesn't fix any of the damage to the physical buttons. While this steering wheel radio control switch kit is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as these are designed to be a direct installation. Speaking of installation, these switches is something you can do yourself, as there are no special tools required. First, pop out the originals, and then install these new ones. Just remember to put them in the right locations, and you'll be able to figure that out based on removing the originals, and also the design matches each area of the steering wheel. But also double check the fitment and operation once they are installed. If you have any questions about this kit, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.